Alright guys, so here's my recipe for feeding my bees. You're going to need 4 cups of white sugar, a teaspoon of real lemon, optional shot of lemongrass, and just under a gallon of hot water. So first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and put my drop of lemongrass in here. 1 drop. Teaspoon of lemon juice. Go ahead and throw in my sugar. It's 4 cups. Hot water. Mix it up first before we get to the pot. It smells good. More hot water. Okay. So this is a 1 gallon jug I'm mixing it in. Very sticky stuff, don't spill it on the counter. Your wife or significant other or whatever you got is going to not be happy with you if you do clean it up. Very sticky stuff. Okay, let's go feed some bees. I'm going to be taking out my little feeder. I don't know who makes these. These are awesome. I'm going to look them up. Let's go feed bees. Okay, they're not even flying. It's so cold. Wide angle. Now this handy dandy high-tech lid stabilizing device. And this is my little feeder. Pop that in here. Pull the top. Won't get to see any bees right now, but I do this one-handed. I do have a tripod, but I don't think it's going to stay here. Alright, so this can is empty. Pull the can. There's some bees. Lots of bees. Got to get them over this thing. Oh, try not to crunch too many. It's a little slow on the go. Here they go. They're coming up from the top. There's a few there. I'm going to set this can here for now. And they're like, what's going on? They're not happy. It's really kind of cool today. They do not want to be, they don't want me out here, I'm sure. So that's how this little feeder works. This is a cool little feeder. I like it. I'll have to get a couple more of them. Should let the hot water cool down a little bit before you feed the bees. They're coming pouring out of that light source. Coming. There we go, right to the top. All right. There's some. They should calm down a little bit. Right now they just look agitated. Little twitchy, agitated bees in there because of the me popping the top, and it says it's 45 degrees, but that wind is kicking on about 10 miles an hour, just enough to make it chilly. You can see there's not a lot of bees flying today. There, all right, girls. Yeah, they're starting to feed. You can see it's kind of neat. I don't know if you guys can see it. Maybe I can zoom in, tighten up the shot, zoom in a little bit. But you can see right here, they have their little tongues out. Their proboscis. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. And they're sipping the sugar water already, and then they're spitting it back to each other. They kind of regurgitate it back and forth to one another. But you can see them tasting. They're tasting the sides of the plastic down there and exploring this. Well, we had somebody fall in, drown already. That's unfortunate. That does happen. This water might still be a little too hot for them. I'll get you in the shot. Sorry, I was looking and not watching the camera. Anyways, it's kind of neato. Kind of a neato thing. It's neat that you can look down and see them in there. So then I lost the lid for this. This thing blew away, so I end up putting a pie tin on it. There, kind of helps keep anything from getting in it. Ants and stuff can still crawl up in there and get into it, but it kills the light. Keeps dust and stuff from falling in there, the little pie tin. Yeah, there we are. See a little pie tin. So there's just a drip or a drop of water left in this. Not enough to fret about. I don't know if I could even. Maybe I'll open up the can. I'll pour it. I'll feed it back to them later. Anyways, that's how I feed my bees. That's my sugar mix. If you got a better sugar mix, hey, share it with me. I'd like to know. You know, throw it in the comments. I really do a lot of this stuff so I can learn, and on occasion somebody will bark out in the comments that you're doing it wrong, and I'll tell you what, I appreciate it. I appreciate someone telling me that I'm doing it wrong. Not to be a jerk, just so that I can learn to do it right. It's very high tech. I can sell these to you if you want. I'll have to put a link for the purchase of these new modern lid restraints. So, anyways, guys, hope you liked the video. Hope you found it entertaining and not too windy. Maybe even educational. Like, share, subscribe, all that goofy YouTuber cool guy stuff that they're supposed to say. So anyways, enjoying everyone else's videos these days, and hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you all later. Toodaloos.